Hi, welcome back. We are going to cover in this video entering a CM, CFP, or customer furnished property request. The process for adding this request type is the same as the previous two videos that you've watched, so we won't cover filling out the general tab in depth. Add a new record, update the part description and any instructions, as you've seen in the last couple of videos. The only difference here is under the CM request type drop down, you're going to click the CFP button before you go ahead and hit save, and then move on to the CM CFP request tab. From here, again, like the CM part request and the CM part catalog request, you'll hit the plus on the left-hand side for a new record, and then you can begin to get started. So you'll enter your part number, description. The site will not let you select multiple sites for this request. If you need the same CFP part for multiple different sites for whatever reason, you will have to enter these as another record, as another part request. However, you won't have to enter a new record and get a new CO number. You'll just be able to do that by clicking new and getting another request. And you move on, you select planner, whether the part definition exists or not, and that means is the drawing or technical definition already in IFS. If it is, if it's another configuration of a existing drawing or part, you will go ahead and click yes. If it's no, you'll click no. The CFP usage from this drop-down menu here, used in product acceptance, integrated product to be returned to the customer, or not applicable, whichever one applies to your specific record. The customer ID, which again can be found from the list of values here on the left side. Just pick one at random. The sales unit of measure, as shown in the CM part request video, you want to use this script to search for the correct unit of measure. And then, of course, whether this contains explosives or not. Clicking yes will require you to enter the explosive weight. If you leave that out, it will give you an error. And again, you do not need to add the other hazardous material or ozone depleting substances. You can leave that blank. The documents to attach, this is where you will tell us, similar to the CM part request, what technical definition, data sheet, and or drawing you're going to use. So if it exists in IFS, you'll just manually put in the document as a document number as it exists in IFS, or you'll go to the iDrive CM part request folder where you may have already saved the file you want to use. Copy that file name and then paste that here to let CM know which is the appropriate document to use for this request. So once that information is filled out, you'll hit save. And like I discussed, if you need a new part or an additional part, you'll just go ahead and enter all of that information. Again, this is where you could also make the same part number and just ask us to transfer it into a different site if that's necessary. Other than that, everything else is the same. And just hit save. And as with previous videos, you are done. After that, CM will pick up the work. You'll be notified when the status goes to in process or is complete, or of course we will reach out to you with any questions or comments or concerns that we have about your request. As I mentioned in previous videos, in the CM request folder in the iDrive, I encourage you to use the CM request work instruction PowerPoint to help guide you on filling out any of the part requests that you may be looking to do. It gives you a list of all the mandatory fields and is a good tool to use, especially as you start to get going with this new process. Any questions, please reach out to myself or anyone in CM, and we'll be happy to walk you through this or answer any questions you may have. Thank you.